Hello guys, sup? This is Pro Paladin 101 here and welcome back to another episode of Ark, where we last left off. We were mining some iron. So, what happened was that my pickaxe finally broke. I killed the animal because I need to feed my animals. I need to feed myself. I'm dying. And also I can't run now. So, that's always good. It's not. When did you appear here? Why, I will murder you if you aren't doing stuff to the animals. I will come back just to murder your ass. Actually, I'm gonna feed you. Just let me feed you. Let me feed you. Just allow me. Accept my food. Now we're going this way. I seriously should have built this level, the ballot and shit. But you know what? Helper's with me still. And you definitely do hate me. Let's go. So I'm slowly dying at the cold, right? Because right now it's cold and I'm starving. That sounds familiar. No, it doesn't. But eat that, eat that. So I'm not as starving. Just enough to the point where I feel like I'm starving, but I'm not. You get what I'm saying? Are you starving, actually? You are. You are weird. Here. Take that? I'll find out later. But, on the other hand, I will not. That goes there, and I got this. A flock helmet, bruh. Pretty cool, I say. I'd say, bruh. So I'm gonna toss you in here. Toss no, okay, I want to see it pop up again. So I can put 75 things. Hell yeah. So right now I need to recraft that. So yeah, all the way. Yep, there we go. So I'll have 30 of them. So let's see what 30 could get me. That's not what I want. E does it? A does it. Okay, so we go to weapons. Item. Nope. Weapons. Gun. Pistol thing. No. Ammo. I'll show you all the ammo I have. Nah, I don't need that. Melee. You are 10. And you metal hatch. Where's my big metal hatch at? You guys are different, right? Quality, durability is 50 right now. I'm really confused, but whatever. I have metal hatchet. I'll make whatever one. So 14, 12, and 10. So 10, 20. Okay, I'll have to find more, but besides that, that'll be all I can do, I think. I'm guessing. I gotta stop doing that, because. Okay. So I'll grab this over here to go ahead and go right here, access that. Transfer, of course. Never to go ahead and go this way. Go here. Into the tree, I think. Hey, stop raining. But I'm still starving and cold. Cool. So, I'm gonna... Where's help at? are you doing here? Stop it. Go away. Don't make me do it. Is he following you now? I can barely see. Where the hell do I live? Where the hell do I live? Where the fuck do I live? I live here. Come here. Right here. Come on. Come here. Come here. You. That's not a bitch. Won't stop following this. No, I'm gonna feed you. Deal with it. I'll head up this way, cause I hope Help doesn't die. Cause that will suck. That'll use Spike to do stuff. And I need to run up this way, cause Jesus Christ. All I see is purple and barely other colors. Thank God, light. Okay, how much light's left in here? Almost there. Give me one more. Come on, you can do it. One more, one more. Oh, thank God. Build an axe right to Jesus freaking Christ. I'm gonna toss you right here on. Just give you that.